What's up, broskies? Welcome back to the channel. And I'll tell you something, today we're gonna be putting some dry ice in steaming hot water. Stay tuned. It's really cold. You can see it steaming here. Alright, let's go ahead see what happens when we put dry ice into the water. Oh man, look at it go, man. Look at that go. Peep the Tesla in the background. We're just chilling. Get that close up. There she is, boys and girls. Dry ice in steaming hot water. So we got the dry ice from a bag of ice cream. Figures, dude. And they had this in there. Pretty amazing. Y'all make sure to like and subscribe. That's about it. Peace.